Uptown Mondays, Ras Shiloh, JAHJAH Foundation, Dr. Dixon. Original Fulton and Franklin.
Oh, you mean Fulton and Franklin?
Church
Best
and,
style, you know?
Church and Flatbush. You take care of your thing.
Yo, this is Ras Shiloh more. Big up JAHJAH Foundation, you understand? Are you satisfied? Wipe those tears from your eyes. I'm all alone, still you thought I was telling a lie. Pretty little woman, you don't trust me no more. You don't have to break down my door. I'm all alone. It's all about JAHJAH Foundation. You understand? Yardie abroad, I help Yardie at home. So that's what it's all about. Unity and strength, and Ras Shiloh has said that to the fullest. Selassie the first.
JAHJAH Foundation, Ras Shiloh. Support JAHJAH Foundation where the real is on the road. Respect.